Hey, welcome back to this Tableau dashboards mini lecture. This one's on placing charts on the dashboard. Both worksheets and dashboard objects can be placed on the dashboard. Basically, you drag items from the dashboard pane to an area labeled drop sheets here. Consider the previous workbook with 3 sheets charts. You would have seen this if you were in the previous lecture. It includes sales on the upper left of the sheet, forecast at the bottom left of the sheet, and map at the upper right of the sheet. You could create each of the 3 charts in a separate sheet, sales, forecasts, and maps, and you should be able to recreate the sheets using a Superstore dataset based on what you've already learned. So it shouldn't be too straightforward if you've been following along. Shouldn't be too complicated if you've been following along. Here's an example. This is the whole dashboard with 3 charts again: sales upper left, forecasts lower left, map upper right. So to place the charts on the dashboard, start with a blank dashboard. I've numbered these steps. First, begin by placing the main worksheet sales onto the canvas. Then add the second sheet in the same way. Typically the main sheet sits in the top left corner because this is where your eye normally tends to look first in most cultures. And then place the second sheet below it. So that would be sales and then forecast. As shown in the figure below, the area where the sheet will drop is shown in gray before you release the mouse button. So again, you see the sales on top. The second worksheet would be added to the dashboard, and that's in the gray part below. So again, sales on top. Where the forecast is in gray below. Tableau groups filters and legends from all sheets on the right side of the dashboard, and then you see the profits there on the right. It places them in a layout container, and then in figure below you can see the color legend for profit measures again on the right. Again, the color legend for the profit measure on the right. This is a bit more zoomed in. You can place worksheets between existing dashboard elements. When you drag a third worksheet, map in this case, between the container with the legend on the right and the first 2 sheets on the left, a dotted blue line indicates where the new sheet will appear. You can see the figure. So you see on the dashed line, that's on the right, it's in sort of a gray highlighting. It indicates where the additional worksheet will be inserted. So again, it's on the right. As an overall tip, give your worksheets meaningful names. This will help you organize your information. It's easier to find the right charts when you're creating a dashboard with the right names. Change the worksheet name by double-clicking tabs at the bottom of the window. And I'll be doing that in the next lecture. In this example, adjust map size to make the layout of the dashboard more balanced. Again, the map seems a little bit bigger, and you can see it's sort of focused on the east coast of the US and Canada. Do this by moving the left border of the map container to the left, thereby giving it more space relative to the other sheets. And again, this is sort of your final product. This is a dashboard with 3 charts: sales in the upper left, forecast in the bottom left, and map on the upper right. That was Tableau dashboards, placing charts on the dashboard. Looking forward to seeing you again soon. Take care.